are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's World. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dalgona Rooh Afza. Ingredients needed are 2 cup cold milk, Rooh Afza. If you don't have Rooh Afza, you can use rose syrup, 2 tablespoons sugar, fresh cream, basil seed soaked or cuscus. So let's start the mixing. First, take Rooh Afza, 2 tablespoons. Then add 2 tablespoons fresh cream. Then 2 tablespoons sugar. Then we'll start blending it. So let's start. So the mix is finally ready. See, it's thick and fluffy. Now we will mix this with the milk. For this, take an empty jar. First I'm going to add a little Rooh Afza. See? Pour the milk slowly. So now I'm going to add the basil seed. Then we'll do the topping. So now pour some cuscus again. Finally, I am adding some badam as the topping. So our yummy Rooh Afza Dalgona is ready. Believe me, it's so yummy. Please try this at home and let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel.